guys, I'm going to show you how to clone a virtual server in Hyper-V. So I have a Windows 2016 server installed here with Hyper-V running as a role on this server. And here you can actually see I've got 3 virtual machines. I'm actually just looking at this one here, template-server 2016. And I've actually put the hard drives for all my virtual machines into a folder, the VHDX virtual hard drives. Okay, this just makes it a little bit easier for me to manage. So if you look in my Hyper-V manager, I'm just going to open up this machine. Okay, and in here I've installed in this virtual machine Windows Server 2016 and installed all updates. And if you want to clone it, there may be certain tools that you want to have available on all of your virtual machines before you do run this clone. You know, you might want to put Notepad++ on there, or you know, any other tool that you might automatically want installed on all of them. Now, to clone this, Hyper-V doesn't actually have any clone functionality, so what we need to do is sysprep this machine. This just strips all unique data about this Windows installation. So it strips the name, IP addresses, the SID associated with it, the secure identifier. Now if we just right click on this Windows Start button here, and you want to run an admin command prompt, okay, and we're going to navigate the directory, so change directory from the command prompt to the sysprep folder, and then we run sysprep, and it's that easy. All we do is choose, we only need the first option here. Okay, now I'm actually going to choose a shutdown option because I don't want it to restart afterwards, and you click OK, and that's it. When this has finished running sysprep, it's going to clean up all the unique information. It will shut down. Look, there you go, it's already shutting down. And once that's shut down, we then just go to the hard drive here and we copy it. Okay, I'll just wait for that to finish. Okay, that's finished, it's done. So I'm going to right click copy, right click paste. And this is going to take a little while to copy because it's about 40 gig here that it's copying. I'm just going to pause the video while this occurs. Okay, that file has finished copying now, and as you can see, it's automatically added a hyphen and copy to the name. I'm going to rename this now to what I'm actually going to call this server. It's going to be a domain controller, so I'm simply going to call it DC01. And now I need to actually create a new virtual machine. So I'm not going to go through all the details of these steps. I'm just going to very quickly create a new virtual machine so that you can see what will happen. Generation 2, I'm going to use dynamic memory. Okay, and now here, this is creating a new virtual hard disk. So I'm actually going to use the existing one that I just copied. So DC01. And next, that's it. So we'll just click finish, and this is going to create a new virtual machine. So it's not a true clone, but this is the next best thing that Hyper-V Manager allows you to do. Let's start up our server. Now it's going to give you a whole heap of options that you get. It's going to redo the out-of-box experience. That's the selection we chose when we sysprepped. So it's just going to ask for a few options. So here's the first question that we're now asked from this machine that has been sysprepped. I'm going to choose Australia because that's where I'm from. I'm happy with all those settings, and click next. And next we accept the license terms. We've read all that and we're happy with the license terms and the default administrator password. and click finish. And that's it. We have just cloned ourselves a virtual machine in Hyper-V. I'll go ahead and log into the server now. It will look exactly the same as the other server. This makes it easier when you're doing testing or studying, learning how to use a server, Windows Server 2016. It allows you to create lots of different servers for testing purposes without having to reinstall from scratch and install all the Windows updates every single time. And there you have it. If you actually look at the name of this computer, I'll just right click and go to system. We can rename this server. It will have a unique name again that will not be a duplicate of the other server. I didn't, or it is a duplicate actually. And so you can simply go ahead now and change this server name so that it's unique. And I'm going to call it DC01. And I now have to reboot this server. Thank you for watching my video, and if you enjoyed the video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.